Assalamu alaikum you all, and hope you all are fit and fine as always. In today's video I am telling you about some novels and books reviews which I have read so far. In today's video I am just telling you about 3 books which I have read. But in my further videos I will tell you about more books. So stay with me and let's start. Alright, now I am recommending you few books which I have read so far, and the first novel which I am recommending you is The Kite Runner, which is written by Khaled Hosseini. So this is the Kite Runner book, and we can say a novel, so that you can also check summary which is written at the back of the book. And actually this book is too much good and superb. If I get a chance to read this book, I will definitely give 100% to this novel, because the way he explained, actually this book novel is written when Afghanistan attacked by the Taliban, and Khaled Hosseini, whatever he experienced, whatever he observed at that time, so he put all those things in this fiction story. And there are two leading characters, Amir, which is the owner's son, and secondly the Hassan, which is actually the owner servant's son. So whatever he explained through these characters, these leading characters, is too much awesome. And the wordings are too much easy, vocabulary, language is too much easy, English is used easy, not that much difficult. But if you are not a beginner, you can easily understand the wordings of this novel. And at initial stage I felt difficulty to understand the characters, what are the relationship between among Hassan and Amir, what is the other relationship. And so I was failed to understand at the beginning of the reading. But once I get started reading this novel, I gradually understand that what is the uh, characters relationship among them. So I really get very an interesting story. And the best thing which I felt about this author, that he put the catharsis, he put human emotions in this fiction story. And in this fiction story, so I really like this book, and wordings are too much easy to understand. So now this is the first novel which I'm recommending you in this video. Now the second book, which I'm second is novel as well. So secondly I'm recommending The Timekeeper, which is the second novel so far I have read. So now this novel is too much this novel is, I did not feel this novel as much interesting as I have felt the previous one. And The Timekeeper, actually in this story, and this is also fiction story, and this in this novel, there's too much fiction element we find. The genre is actually a fiction novel. And the thing which is told in this story is that there's three different stories and revolving in this one novel. And the time is actually the main focus of this story. There was a one old man which is indicating, or which is guiding to those people who are wasting the time. Sahara is also a character, and he is just not utilizing his time in the wrong way. And she then the old man who came to the different place, who did not belong to the earth, came back to the earth. And he has special powers, and then he see each and every person, but no one can see him. So this is the case in this story which is revolving. And actually this story is all about time, so how to utilize the time, how to keep a right track. So at the back of the book it is telling about some summary, so it will be helpful to buy this book if you read this summary at the back. So other thing, alright, now the third book which I am recommending you all people is Reclaim Your Heart. Actually that book is actually written by Yasmin Mogahed, and that is the book, not a novel or a fiction story, but this is the book of Reclaim Your Heart. So yes, name of the author, it is written over here, right here, Yasmin Mogahed. she's a female author basically, and by hearing the name of Reclaim Your Heart, you can easily understand that what is the content about. Reclaim means to purify your heart, to clean your heart from all the things. So actually genre about this book is religion, and the best part of this book is this, that she gave each and every proof of whatever he explained. So the best thing I like about this thing, and the first chapter I like in this book, so which comes under the category of attachments. So the first chapter of this book, I really like this. And like for example, I'm showing you the content, how the content is look like. So this is the contents of this book. So the attachment is the first chapter, and all the chapters under this attachment comes, like the why do people have to leave each other. This is the first, you can say, a chapter. Then second chapter, people leaves but do they return. So these are the chapters that comes under attachments. Then second is love, then third is hardships. So these are all the chapters, and there are other contents chapters too of this book. So these are the chapters, woman's status, relationship with the creator. So these are the topics, religious topics. So you can easily understand, you can must read this book. I will surely recommend, you will like this, Reclaim Your Heart, which is written by Yasmin Mujahid. At the back, it is the little bit autobiography of Yasmin Mujahid. So you can easily get to know about the author as well by reading this short. And the language is too much easy, vocabulary is too much easy. You can easily understand the chapter and the perception of the Yasmin Mujahid, whatever she wants to tell. So the thing is, you must buy this. So these are the books which I have read which so far, and you must buy these three books. I really recommend you to buy Reclaim Your Heart, The Timekeeper, The Kite Runner. So these are the books which I am recommending you in today's video. Hope you like this video and subscribe my channel too. Thank you very much.